Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to our channel Wisdom Journey. Today we will discuss a topic that delights many. Earn 5 million per month. Is it fact or fiction? Yes, you heard it right. 5 million per month. That's a hefty sum that would change anyone's life. You must be wondering, how is this possible? Some individuals are already making this amount, particularly on platforms like YouTube or other digital platforms. They have found a niche, capitalized on their skills, and worked relentlessly to reach where they are today. However, we must talk about something more important here. We are not here to glorify these numbers, but to reflect on our attitudes toward wealth, income, and success. As a Muslim, our faith teaches us a crucial principle: neither before its time, nor more than what is destined. So, if you cannot get it before the time, and you cannot get more than what Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has planned to give you, then why are you just racing to get it? This wise saying emphasizes that everything happens in its own time, and only to extent that it is predestined or fated to happen. We all have our paths, our destinies, and our timelines. Comparing ourselves to others and racing to amass wealth will not bring us satisfaction or peace, and it may lead us to overlook the blessings we already have. So, as we admire those who have reached high levels of financial success, let's remember that true success is not just about the amount of money we earn, it's about contentment, gratefulness, and trust in Allah's plan for us. It is about striving to the best version of ourselves, serving our communities, and maintaining our faith. Being a Muslim, your faith should be strong in Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And remember, you will get as per your faith. So let's just focus on learning new skills, personal growth, spiritual development, and unique journeys. Do hard work in your profession and be patient and grateful to Allah for what you have. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala bless us all with success, health, happiness, patience, and strength. May all your dreams come true and live the life you have always dreamed of. May Allah bless you with victory in this life and eternal life too. Ameen. Thank you for joining us in today's wisdom journey. If you found value in this video, please like, share, and subscribe for more insights and discussion.